Gage, what's over there in the box?
It's a baby bird box.
It's a baby bird in the box?
Yes.
Tell me again, what's in the box? What is it?
A baby bird box.
Say it one more time. One more time. What is it?
Also what?
Oh, that is a watch. That is that. Well, yeah, that's sort of a Fitbit. But hey, what's over there though?
She puts a box that puts a baby bird a box.
What does
The
the
baby
baby
bird
bird say?
Tip tip.
And why is the baby bird in the box?
Does it
We
say?
go.
Let it go?
Is it broken?
It's daddy's.
Well, that could be Daddy's, yeah. But what is why is the baby bird in the box? No, you can't open the box. You can't open the box. We have to be quiet. Why is the baby bird in the box? You can sit down because it's hurt. Is the baby bird hurt? He needs help.
Oh, Sharon.
Yes, hands up. What's up? What?
Mommy,
Yeah.
help.
Help the bird.
Baby bird old box.
Okay, do not touch. Do not touch and be very quiet. Don't scare the bird.
Of course, because that mommy.
I closed it.